Hello kids, welcome to the third standard English subject, chapter number 3, Akbar meets Birbal. Today we move on to the exercise part of this lesson, Akbar meets Birbal. Understanding the text. A part, answer these questions. There are 8 questions we are going to learn now. First question, what made Emperor Akbar a fearless hunter? Empire ಅಕ್ಬರ್ಗೆ ಏನು ದಟ್ ಅವನು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಹಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಪೈರರ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಈವನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ he would miss his lessons with his tutors in order to go riding and hunting. As a result, he grew up to be a fearless hunter. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕವನಿದ್ದಾಗ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಟ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸಿಂದ ಲೆಸನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹಂಟಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹಂಟಿಂಗಿಗೆ. ಅದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವನು ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾದ ಆವಾಗ it helps him to fearless hunter. Second question, how did Akbar and his soldiers lost their way? ಅವರು ಹೇಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ವೇಯನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ? One day while chasing a tiger, Akbar and a few of his brave soldiers rode to far out from royal capital at Agra and realized that they were lost. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಟೈಗರನ್ನು ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತನ್ನ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ತುಂಬ ಫಾರ್ ಅವೇ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್? ಫ್ರಮ್ ರಾಯಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಟ್ ಆಗ್ರಾ. ಆಗ್ರಾದಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದೇ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವೇರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಎಂಪೈರರ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ರೂಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್? ಎಂಪೈರರ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು? ಎಂಪೈರರ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ರೂಲ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗ್ರಾ. Fourth question, why did Birbal laugh at Akbar's question? ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಲಾಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್ laughed at Akbar's question and ridiculed him because he found funny the question to be. ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ವಾ ಅದು ಫನಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾನೆ? ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್? ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ವೇ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ಆಗ್ರಾ. ಯಾವ ವೇ ಆಗ್ರಾಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ವಿಚ್ ರೋಡ್? ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ಅವನೇನಂದಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್, ರೋಡ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮೈ ಎಂಪೈರರ್, ಮೈ ಹುಜೂರ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫನಿ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಹಿ ಲಾಫ್ಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನೇಮ್? ಸೊ ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮಹೇಶ್ Das. Mahesh Das, Birbal's real name. Where did Empire Akbar meet Birbal? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? Emperor Akbar met Birbal on one of the road where he was lost. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. Move on to the 7th question, children. How did Birbal help Akbar and his soldiers? ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಡ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಮ್ ದ ವೇ ಟು ಆಗ್ರಾ. ಆಗ್ರಾಗೆ ದಟ್ ವೇಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರವಾಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. 8th question, why did Akbar give Birbal his emerald ring. Emerald ring ಅನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ? Akbar gave Birbal his emerald ring because he was impressed with Birbal's fearlessness. ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್ದು ಫಿಯರ್ಲೆಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ಹೆದರ್ದೇನೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅವನ ಜೊತೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಗೇವ್ ಅ ಎಮರಾಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಂಗ್, ವೆರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಂಗ್, he gave it. Move on to the B part, children. Who said the following sentences and to whom? Here are some statements according to that lesson, children. We have to tell who said these statements to whom. First one, ha, at last we see a road. Akbar said this to his soldiers. This statement said Akbar to his soldiers. Second one, tell us which road goes to Agra. Answer, Akbar asked this to Birbal. The Birbal name or Mahesh Das. Okay. Third one, Huzur, everybody knows that roads cannot move. How can this road go to Agra or anywhere else? Birbal or Mahesh Das said this to Akbar. Fourth one, and what is your name, Huzur? Birbal or Mahesh Das asked this to Akbar. Fifth one, bring this ring along when you come and I shall recognize and remember you. So who said this statement? This statement said by Akbar, said this to Birbal. So Birbal name is Mahesh Das. Whichever the name easy for you, you can write down. So Birbal, Mahesh Das. Here is the concept about, children, prefixes. Okay. So which we add before the words. Here unhappy, unhappy, dishonest, dishonest, impossible, impossible, incomplete, incomplete. So these are negative prefixes. Okay. So here exercise part for you. Choose the correct antonyms of the words given in the bracket. Okay. First one, I tried to speak to him but he was available. Available antonyms, it means opposites. Misavailable, unavailable, unavailable. So answer is unavailable. With adding the prefixes, we form the negative prefixes as well as antonyms. Second one, the accident was dash, avoidable, unavoidable, disavoidable, unavoidable. So here the answer is unavoidable. Third one, my keys seem to have dash, I can't find them anywhere. Appeared, unappeared, disappeared, non-appeared. So that is answer disappeared. Then fourth one, I think I have dashed the message. Understood, disunderstood, illy understood, misunderstood. So the correct form is misunderstood. Fifth one, I think missing class is a bad idea. Agree, disagree, unagree, non-agree. So answer is disagree. Disagree. Here the next part is am, is, are, was, were also verbs, right? So whenever we use was, were, refer to the action took place in the past. Like this, is and are in the present formation. So here we move on to the A part. Tick the correct options to make a proper sentences. How is you or how are you? Yes, how are you? My aunt were a doctor. My aunt is a doctor. Is a doctor. I am shorter than my brother. I is shorter than my brother. The formation I am. My teacher is strict. My teacher were strict. My teacher is strict. I was absent yesterday. I am absent yesterday. I was. Rapunzel am a pretty girl. Rapunzel is a pretty girl. So, is a pretty girl. They were in the garden. They was in the garden. They were. Bala, Raza and Pia was friends or were friends. They were friends. Move on to the next concept, has, have, had. So here children, has, have and had are also verbs. They show positions. Has, have are speak about ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹ್ಯಾವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಡನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವನ್ನು ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯೂರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಸನ್ನು ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್. Meeta dash a lot of pets. Meeta is a singular, has. They dash a very big garden. They is a plural, have. My aunt dash a very nice house. Aunt is a singular, has. We dash a blue car last year. Someone stole it. We is a plural, last year. So past tense we have to use had. Our neighbors dash a farmhouse in Goa. Neighbors plural form, have. The Kumars dash a big car when they were in Pune. They were in Pune, past tense, so had. Dinesh must dash completed his test by now. Dinesh must have completed his test by now. Eighth one, last year they dash painted their house pink. Last year, so past tense, had. My parents dash a laptop. My parents have a laptop. Move on to the do, does, did. So here are the same things, children. Do, does to show actions that happen regularly. Did show that already taken place. Okay. Yes, complete these sentences using do, does or did. Dash this shop sell rubber sandals. Does this. Sonali dash not get us the cookies she had promised. Sonali did. I dash my homework. I did my homework. Manas dash yoga for an hour every day. Manas does yoga for an hour every day. Our teachers do not like dirty uniforms. The soldiers did not think twice before charging. Seventh one, Bobby does his job without any help. Move on to the writing part, children. Complete these sentences with words from the story given in the boxes. The words they have used in the story, according to these statements, we have to use these words in the blank. I was delighted with my new heels until I tripped and heard passer-by. So that is called as chuckle. My puppy has a big white scar over his head. He is easy to recognize in a crowd of puppies. I knew she had good news because her eyes twinkled. Her eyes twinkled as bright as the stars in the night sky. Fourth one, the monkey tried to open the box, curious to see what was in it. Fifth one, when he is in such a bad temper, I would like to keep far away. Will you stop staring at me? It's such a bad manners. We are not taking orders from you. You are no emperor. Next, move on to the pronunciation, children. Here, some words pronounced end with S sounds, some will Z. According to that, we have to add here. So, S sound, sit, say, cats, sister, boss, and cross. And the Z sound, zip, zoo, zebra, buzz, nose, quiz, frogs, dogs. There are ends with Z sound. These words ends with S sounds.